Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a Turkish design. You can make it on paper, on canvas, on any hard surface, wherever you want. I am doing it on a wooden tray. I have given a green color base. You can give any color base, whichever you like. I am using my 000 number brush and I'll be using the circles. So in the tray, first thing what I did, I found the midpoint of the tray and I use a ruler for this. Okay, my tray's midpoint is around 14 centimeter. This tray is 28 centimeter long. So please, first step, find out the midpoint of your paper or canvas, and this way also the other way. Okay, both ways you find out the midpoint. That is our step number 1. Everybody, when you find out the midpoint, then we will draw the circle of radius. First radius is, let me measure it, 5 centimeter. Okay, second radius is 7 centimeter and then 7.2. I'm going to use white paint. This is my center point and this is the first radius. First circle will be at 5 centimeter. Drawing this circle, we will divide our circle into 4 equal parts. Here, 4 equal parts. And we'll make 4 petals. So we have drawn 4 petals. Normally in mandala, what we do, we divide the circle into half, then 1/4 and then 1/8. And we keep drawing the circles of different sizes. So that helps us to draw the mandala in the perfect symmetry. But this is Turkish design, so it is little different than normal mandala. So now the design is extremely simple. I'll draw in white paint because you all can see white here. 1 flower, 5 petal flower. We will apply another color on the top of this. This is the innermost circle. This one was the end, so here semicircle. Now what we will do, There are two ways. One is to find the distance here and find the midpoint. Okay, like in my case, it is 7 centimeters. So at 3.5, I'll mark a dot. Okay, so this is 3.5. And then I'll draw the same design here. You can do this with protector, that will be more accurate. Now outer circle. This is our base work. Now I'm going to draw a flower, bigger version of the same flower, so that you all can see what is actually in detail. We can see the design. This is green color, light green. I'll wait for this green to dry, then I will use another color on it. In the meantime, we will use dark red. This is dark red. This is blue color. Okay. Ultramarine it is. मैं यहाँ पतली सी ब्लू कलर से लाइन बनाने जा रही हूँ. ये मस्टर्ड येलो है, गोल्डन येलो कह सकते हैं. इससे मैं सेंटर में एक डॉट बना रही हूँ. Now this green is dry little bit, so I'm going to use another green on the top of it. I'm going to use dark pink. This is light blue, sky blue. I am taking this light green color . Again pink . इसके बाद हम डॉटिंग टूल ले रहे हैं या ब्रश का पीछे का हिस्सा ले रहे हैं और फिर ब्लैक और वाइट से सारा काम करेंगे। इनके थोड़े अलग से पैटर्न हैं जो हम बनाने जा रहे हैं अभी। ये गोल्डन येलो पेंट है। ये हल्का सा हम यहाँ इम्प्रेशन बनाएंगे, नॉट प्रॉपर फ्लावर, जस्ट थोड़े से, बस एक, जिसको कहते हैं एक इम्प्रेशन दे रहे हैं। बट ये बहुत फाइन आउटलाइन नहीं है, इसमें वाइट भी दिख रहा है और बाकी भी कलर दिख रहे हैं। थोड़ी सी जैसे कहते हैं ना शेडिंग सी कर दी हमने। ये वाइट पेंट है। I am taking black paint. You can use any dark green just to brighten it. Now this white paint is little dry. We are just making not exactly dot but some shape. I think we have covered everything. With this, our tray is ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. धन्यवाद, नमस्ते।